Yep. Like, this thing's so out there. I need to get one picture. Is that the wiper?
Yes, that's the windshield wiper. This is your center diff lock. This is speed.
Yep.
In order to go into low range on this, you have to engage front here.
Okay.
So now it's back in high.
Okay. Make myself feel a little better.
Yeah, at least keep it from sliding out of the seat.
Yeah. Alrighty. Actually, I fit better in this than I do in NB.
Yeah, you kind of got to jimmy the key just a little bit. It's actually not all the way in. Probably. Try and back the key off just like a half a click there.
Sound like it started.
There it is.
Man, that thing's really it started.
So.
Oh yeah, the pedal is
Yeah, and I put an extra spring on it because it needed it, because otherwise you didn't know if you were actually on it or not.
Yeah.
Shift patterns reverse, first, second, third.
So
That's first, yeah. And it's non-synchronized.
reversed.
First. Yep. That should be first, second, third.
Yeah, it doesn't. There's really. So this is first.
That's first, yep.
Okay.
Yeah, and first gear is non-synchronized. So.
If I can try that.
Should be in ranges anyways.
Actually, yeah, this thing. I know the torque number isn't a lot, but you can definitely tell, like, very low end four-cylinder.
Yeah, and this is at high range, so I'll do no panning stuff in low because it's easier to drive around the parking lot like that. Suspension is non-existent at best.
Yes. It was like the old video of them torture testing them there on the whoops. But out of all the little, what was it, scout, essentially scout cars there, cavalry cars, what, like, this was the best. Because you had this, and then, what was the Germans had there, that
Thing?
yeah. Sorry, Grandma. I don't think she even looked in her mirror. She just. Yeah, I'm not gonna do like a full 20-minute drive with this there, but.
I mean, you can take it up the road, it will run fine.
Yeah. I'm so old, I'm like.
Like I said, I just drove it to work the other day. So.
Come on, baby. Yeah, definitely too heavy on the clutch. Okay, it's just.
Yeah. It won't go into first or reverse.
Well, that and it's first here, second there is kind of, it's reverse of what you're normally used to.
And it helps to shift out a second somewhere in the 20 to 25 range.
Okay. If it'll get there.
Oh yeah, you're up the hill, so you probably won't get there.
But it's like driving a slow side by side. But that's what these were.
Yeah.
They were.
Hell, that's what the Roxor is.
Yeah.
It's literally one of these.
But like this was the 40s, 50s equivalent of a side by side. how we've come from this to the current Jeep.
Yeah.
Oh, GMC camper. Make sure I am recording.
Yeah, first it sounds synchronous.
So,
Only first if you're stopped.
which way?
Whichever. Straight's fine. Actually, yeah, straight will be good. And probably take a left at the road after the
After the bridge?
bridge. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's really granny
Lots
gear.
of gas, not a lot of clutch. But it needs it, because like when I go to pull out my house in the morning, like I have to be so slow on the clutch so I don't stall out.
Yeah, I bet. But it's like, it's such a granny gear too. It's like, okay, are you gonna go? You probably just ride around in second for the most part. Oh God.
Honestly, once it gets up to speed, it cruises no problem.
Yeah. Yeah, like once it gets in that.
Yeah. Go straight across here.
I like the brake lights show up on the indicator.
Yeah.
So let's see if I can get this time. Come on! it's weird.
A lot of gas, slow on the clutch.
Yeah.
Remember, this was designed for to be driven by someone who'd never
Some
driven before.
17-year-old who lied on his papers.
Yeah. We'll go straight on here.
Like the first gear feels weird.
Not synchronized.
Come on. Because you don't feel it
Yeah.
click. You just set it there.
It just goes in. Unless you're rolling a little bit and then you can feel it. You
Yeah.
can feel it click in. If you're
Yeah.
rolling.
I like how I'm doing 15 and I feel like I'm speeding.
Well, you're probably doing like 25 too.
Yeah, the gauge.
Yeah. I just don't ever really worry about speeding because
Look at it.
it's one of those things that if an officer pulls you over for speeding, you just kind of go, really?
Yeah.
Take a right here.
Kind of got it there.
Yep.
So I feel like I don't want to feel like I'm abusing it, but at the same time, that's what they were
Don't
built
worry
for.
about it. Yeah. You kind of have to drive it like that.
Yeah.
Take a right here. You can actually get up to speed on this one. Just for a little ways.
Yeah. The Saber. Oh, come on. You're going downhill. Driving dynamics are yes.
Yes. Exactly what you'd expect.
Like a tractor. Right at the light?
Yep, right at the light. Suspension is available.
There we go. Finally got it halfway. Then I gotta try the.
So that's the electronic wiper. They actually had vacuum wipers on these too.
Yeah.
That run off a pump on the fuel pump.
Yeah. Which I'm sure.
I'm sure we're super reliable.
Yeah.
They also have these, you know, military ones are all 24 volt.
Yeah.
That's a race shot.
Yeah. I can tell. Okay, we're kind of back halfway where we started. Oh.
That speed's right between gears. And that's, of course, like
Yeah.
35 or 40 miles an hour.
Like my Geo tracker hated like 45-mile-an-hour roads. Like it was right in between third and fourth.
Driving like balls out of it or you're plugging it.
Oh yeah. Forgot. Non-synchronized.
Yes. You cannot just shift in first. That takes some getting used to. My dad's Triumph was the same way. First time I drove, I'm like, oh, yeah, I can't shift into first even though I need to on most corners.
Oh, that guy just littered on camera. I just saw a coffee cup just fly out of the frontier. Oh, come on. I had it. Yeah, there's a spot I haven't found yet. I found it once by luck. Like the throttle pedal is awkward, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be.
Now, like I said, when I put a secondary throttle spring on it because of what was on there,
Yeah,
you just be driving along and like, okay, I need to give it a little more gas, and you realize your foot's on the floor.
yeah.
Like it had no feel to the throttle pedal, you just knew your foot was on it most of the time.
Like there's no. Final time I got it.
Throw it low, give you the full window down Jeep experience too. Good.
What?
If you want, we can throw it low, stick the
Okay,
windshield
let's,
down, drive that around. So,
I almost need a screwdriver in here.
if you work it a couple times, it'll be fine. There you go.
Oh, it's still half cocked.
Keep going. There you go. And then you throw this down, and then that up.
Okay.
And you should be good.
think it really mattered at the point.
No, it has enough torque when you do that to just drive through.
Which I think is the least of your worries.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can definitely tell that belt's slipping. Yay, Jeepin'. I think I made it like really early in the channel. I made a Renegade video, and I made a joke about how that wasn't a real Jeep, and I just like went to my in my storage building with the Cherokee. No, this is a real Jeep, not angry eyes. Alrighty, I more than enough footage of this thing. Is the hood cracking, or is that paint?
I don't know. Probably both.
Alrighty, you want me to leave it running, or?
Shut it off. You have to do the GM push the lever down thing. This guy.
Oh yeah, this is Alrighty, thank you so much. I'm gonna upload the